Izigameko ezifuzelesi sezaba insakavukela umchilo wesidwaba kwezinye zezindawo zasedolobheni naseKapa. Imiphakathi ihleli libhojozi ngenxa yezimpi eziqhubekayo phakathi kwamaqembu ezigilamkhuba. Manje umkhandlu dolobha waseKapa usuqale ukuhlola uhlelo lwezobuxhakaxhaka obuhamba phambili ukuzama ukulwisana nale nkinga yodlame. I-Short Spotter isiqale ukuhlola endaweni eyisizinda sodlame lwamaqembu ezigilamkhuba iHanover Park.
It allows us to triangulate the location of the gunshot to within half a meter. So we're having extraordinary success with that. That allows your staff to respond very quickly. We've got staff on standby in the area, and the gangsters are trying to fool us by shooting off firecrackers all the time. We can tell the difference between a firecracker and a gunshot. The system is intelligent enough to do that.
uSmith uthi uma amaphoyisa eshesha ukufika endaweni yesigameko, lokhu kuzonyusa isibalo sababoshwayo.
That has allowed us to recover 2 firearms in the area in this way. And it also means that we've seen the gunshots come down now because the guys have the unnerving experience of having the police arrive very, very quickly after their gunshot to the exact location. So in the last week that we've been doing the response, we've seen it come down. We've been running the system for 3 weeks. Sadly, I must say that's 241 gunshots in 3 weeks in Hanover Park.
Maduze nje lolu hlelo luzosatshalaliswa ophikweni lwamaphoyisa olwisana nobugebengu, kanti uma luba impumelelo iziphathimandla zizolisebenzisa kuzona zonke izinto ezinamaqembu ezigilamkhuba kuleli.